In the simple help desk scenario, the IT manager, office managers will get the alert whenever a ticket is submitted. As you can see, the alert has come on the dashboard. Similarly, an email alert will come. It will also be visible as a pending task. There are 5 pending tickets. You can click on this and you will see the open tickets. If the ticket is in your work area, you can start working on it. If the ticket is not your ticket, then you can change the category and the ticket will be routed to the group you have selected here. So if the ticket is not for you, or let's say it's an admin ticket, you can select an admin. If the ticket is yours, you will need to work on the ticket and update your comments. If you resolve the ticket, you can close the ticket. Advanced Help Desk provides much more features than the simple help desk. While employees can raise tickets in a similar manner, like in simple help desk, they can select attributes in the tickets. Tickets can be categorized or prioritized based on multiple fields that can be designed in the setup. Different groups can be designed for resolving different type of tickets. Each group will have a group leader who can assign the ticket within the group based on the specific ticket type. You can also define an SLA and a escalation matrix. You can define who will be notified when a certain SLA is violated. In this way, you can map the heads of the HR department or the other departments so that they're notified in the right time. Employees can ask for updates, can interact with the support team on the ticket. Tickets can be paused if there is something which is not in the control of the support team. Once the ticket is closed, an approval can be taken on the closure of the ticket from the employee. Finally, a feedback can be sought from the employee on the performance of the support team on the ticket. As a support team member or a support team leader, to work on a ticket, you need to come to the help desk area and on the ticket page. Here you will see a summary of all the tickets which are available to you. There are 4 active tickets. Out of these 4 tickets, 2 have exceeded their stipulated closure time and the SLA has been violated, and there are no pending tasks. In each ticket, you can create tasks and assign them to the support team members. The green color is for a ticket which has been closed within the SLA. As you can see, this ticket has been closed and the feedback also has been completed. You can click on view to see the ticket. As you can see, the history of the interaction with the employee is available on the ticket. Click on close. The tickets which are open for long, you can see the SLA violations. So these are tickets which have violated SLA. To pick up a ticket or to work on a ticket, you click on edit. As a support team leader, you have 2 options. Either you can pick the ticket directly or you can assign it to a team member. Let me assign it to Pradeep. Click on submit. I have now logged in as Pradeep and you can see this notification alert has come that space for team meeting has been assigned to you. So I can just click on this or I can come via the help desk tickets menu. You can see on the assigned to, the name is there. So the ticket is now in process. The employee will also see that this ticket has been assigned to Pradeep Das. Click on the edit button. Once you open the ticket, you would see the ticket priority, ticket type, ticket category. You will need to provide the resolution here. If you need some support from other team members, you can come here and you can come to task tab and you can add a new task and give it to a team member. Once you've created the task, click on save. The task is now visible here. It has been assigned to Nilesh. Click on submit to update this task in the ticket. The ticket is updated with the task. Let us now log in as Nilesh. As you can see here, the alert has come for the task assignment. You need to provide an update on this task. Click on review. You will be seeing the task which is pending and assigned to you. You can edit the task. You can see the details of the task. And once you have completed the task, click on close task. So now the task is closed. Let's log in as Pradeep. As you can see, the alert for completion of task has been sent to Nilesh. Let's open the ticket. We'll update the ticket with the status and we'll click on submit. Clicking on submit doesn't close the ticket. If you're sure that you have closed the ticket, click on edit and click on close ticket. And you need to give a final resolution remarks. With this, the ticket is now closed. The team manager will have the option to send this ticket for a feedback to the employee. With this, we complete the ticket management demo. Thanks for watching.